Hi everybody, Babs here and Louie, and we're in downtown Niagara-on-the-Lake in the Heritage District, at the heart of the Heritage District, at the Voices of Freedom Park. I'm going to take you on a tour of the Voices of Freedom walking tour all around town, as best I can, Louie and I, but we're starting here at stop number 1, the park itself. As you can see, I'm right here in the heart of it. There's Louie in the back there, and this park was built, made possible by the town of Niagara-on-the-Lake and by some people of pretty amazing vision, because this is pretty hot real estate right here, and it could have been a lot of other things, but instead it's a park that honors Black history, a subject that's rarely really brought to light, except now. It's really coming out, and Black settlers were some of our earliest settlers. This park honors that. The path that leads up to this central part here, this path represents the path to freedom that so many had to take, and the various paths they took. And here, these arcs that I'm standing right inside of, these arcs represent the metal arcs, the steel arcs, represent all obstacles in their way. And over here you can see the motifs on the back there. They represent settlements here in town, an artistic representation of where they were living here in Niagara-on-the-Lake. And the path I'm stepping on, walking on, at the other end, you can see it's full of West African designs and symbolism, because it represents enslavement and captivity, as well as justice and law. The park is a place where you can come and meditate, contemplate, sit, walk the dog, lose the dog, and look for the North Star. See you in point number 2.